Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you'd remove the door lock actuator on this. And this is the door lock actuator that's here. So when you lock the car, this is what works and locks. So it's located behind this metal. You see these here, and there's 3 bolts we'll remove here. There's the channel here, and there's some electrics to be undone here, so that we can remove the door lock actuator itself and the exterior door handle on this vehicle. So a lot of times when your door lock actuator goes bad, it's this unit itself that you'll lock the doors and it won't lock, or maybe your car alarm doesn't set correctly because some electrics have gone bad inside of the door lock actuator unit itself. So to start with, we have removed the door panel. The glass has been removed, the window glass has been removed, and then we've, that way we are able to get back in here and to have access in here. So we're going to remove this bolt right here, which this bolt is part of the channel that the window will slide up and down when you move the window. So we're going to remove this bolt so that we can move that piece out of the way, so that when we undo the door lock actuator, we can actually get it out. So in the process to get this out, we have some electric connector, this electric line here. We just need to pop that clip. And that way we can just remove that whole thing out so that it won't ever get in our way. The next thing is there's an electric connector here that connects to the door lock actuator. Same thing, just squeeze it together and be able to unhook that. This is the connector. And with that undone, then you'll see 2 yellow connectors up here. We're going to go for the top one. And what you do is you just pull it backward, and then that way this metal rod will come undone from the actuator unit itself. So a couple other things we're going to want to do in preliminary. We want to pop this little connector that goes in here. It's holding the electric lines to the exterior door handle. We've got to undo this connector here. And then we follow this around and it connects up top here. Okay, so we got most all the preliminary electrics. There's one more, and we're gonna, once I remove the exterior door handle, is where we're gonna get access to get that one out. So to start with, we're gonna go process to remove this portion of the door lock actuator. This is the 3 bolts that need to be removed to be able to remove that door lock actuator. They are T30. So with those 3 bolts removed, we now can move this. Get caught on the and you can pull it out of the car, but we still have this piece here that is connecting to the upper handle there. Alright, so you see this tab here? You can press it down and it gives you the ability to pop that out because it spins it sideways. And now with that piece popped out, then Alright, so to finish removing just the door lock actuator so that it can be separated from there, what you need to do is we've pressed this button down or you press this tab down, and that way you can spin and pop this piece off. And then what you do is you just kind of pull this gently toward you, and that way it stops catching right there, and then you can be able to remove that cable to be able to have your door lock actuator as one separate unit. So that's how you remove your door lock actuator on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. So that's going to be one of the parts, and now we're going to go over the other section in the new clip about how to remove the exterior door handle and everything that goes with that. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.